Hi everyone, I am Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. And today's video is a food review on the Whole Truth Foods energy bar. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of energy bars. Sure, they might be nutritionally convenient, easy to carry around, but I don't love them too much. That is, until I came across the energy bar made by the Whole Truth Foods. I really like these as it's literally just a mix of dates, nuts, cocoa, nothing else. No other sweeteners, no other artificial sweeteners added to them at all. They also come in a whole bunch of flavors, which keeps it really interesting for me. So today I'm reviewing the Almond Choco Fudge Energy Bar by The Whole Truth, and I'm also going to share with you my favorite times in the day to eat it. So this bar is made with dates, cashews, almonds, cocoa nibs and cocoa butter. That's all. One bar weighs about 40 grams and has 200 calories. It has about 16 grams net carbs, 5 grams of protein and 11 grams of fat. In my opinion, this is a super balanced snack. All the nutrients and all of these macros are coming from real foods. And in addition to these macronutrients, you're also getting certain micronutrients like iron and magnesium from the dates, cashews, and almonds. My favorite time to eat this bar is when I'm running late for breakfast with a glass of milk, which is actually quite often. But I also eat it very often during the day when I'm wanting a quick snack, especially if I'm on the go. Also, since this bar is mostly just nuts and dried fruit, it helps meet my daily requirement of this food group, which I often don't otherwise eat. Some of the whole truth bars have whey protein added to them too, and so they might make for a great post workout snack or a slightly heavier snack if that's what you're wanting sometime in the day. Do note though that these bars are simply snack size. They're not meant to replace a meal. They should not replace a meal. I should not be replacing my breakfast with them too often either. So once in a while, can you replace your poha upma with it? Sure. Should you do it very often? No, because these other foods also have a ton of nutrients that you're getting if you eat them on a regular basis. Have you tried these bars? What do you think about them? And which is your favorite flavor? Leave in the comments below. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.